Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please do subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because here we talk about skincare products, we give reviews, recommendation, we teach how to make handmade skincare products. We also sell handmade skincare products. We do facials, we treat the skin. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you. For me to appreciate you, I'm giving out free facial treatment in our spa here in Lagos. If you're in Lagos and you want to partake in this free facial treatment, please leave your comment on the comment section, or you can write me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is on my on the description box of this video, right? So guys, I'm going to be talking about this facial cream. This facial cream is all about firming the skin, is all about targeting age spot, it's all about targeting aging, yes, all about targeting brown spots. So today facial cream is not all about lightening. We have done lightening, whitening, but today this facial cream is mainly for treatment targeting age spot. So I've talked about I think I talked about the body lotion last year, but now I'm going to be talking about this facial cream. Very good facial cream, guys. Very good. If you're a dark skin person, you can use this facial cream. If you're a light skin person, you can use it. So this facial cream is not for one particular skin tone. Any skin tone can use it, because the main function of this facial cream is to target skin conditions like brown spots, age spots, wrinkles, saggy skin, especially saggy skin. If you're having saggy skin, you should be using this facial cream. And this facial cream is the 5.5 vitamin C facial cream. This is it. It is called a 5.5 vitamin C facial cream. So I'm going to tell you what it does on the skin. It's a brightening firming facial cream that contains vitamin C and ferulic acid. We all know what ferulic acid and vitamin C, these two combo, what they do on the skin. Their main function is to target spot on the skin, brown spot, age spot on the skin. Now this vitamin C facial cream, it's very good to promote skin firmness. Yes, it promotes skin firmness. It helps to reduce the imperfection on your skin, right? We have imperfection on the skin. Imperfections on the skin are mostly these are skin conditions. It can be brown spot, it can be age spot, it can be acne, it can be hyperpigmentation, it can be pimples, it can be what is it called, melasma, rosacea. Those are called skin imperfection, right? So it helps to target skin imperfection. It helps to build up your skin barrier, give you a very strong skin barrier. For most people that have sensitive skin, their skin is like their skin is like this, like their skin is no longer strong, is no longer firm, right? So this facial cream is here to help to build up your skin barrier, to help to hold moisture. This will help to hold moisture on your skin, and it will also help to infuse that vitamin C benefit on your skin. We all know the benefit of vitamin C on the skin. Vitamin C is one of the greatest active ingredients when it comes to targeting your skin conditions, targeting your skin issues. Not just there to lighten up your skin. No, vitamin C is mainly to target skin issues. So now this is a very good skin firming and brightening body lotion. When I say brightening, so because you are a light skin person, does not mean that you will skip out this facial cream. No, any skin too can use it. Like I said before, it's not going to darken your skin. It will not darken your skin. It is just going to help to repair your skin barrier. It's going to give you this strong skin. For those that have saggy skin, like it is said here, it is going to help to firm. You know, if you have sagginess, it will firm. And for most people that have saggy skin, tend to have wrinkled skin, tend to have fine lines, like those lines on your face. When you smile, you just see those lines popping out around your mouth area, your nose area, around your eye area, your forehead. Those are sagginess, right? Your skin, the elasticity of your skin has dropped. So this body lotion is what is going to help to firm it up, keep it strong. Now this sorry, it's not a body lotion, it's a facial cream. It's a facial cream, and it is called the 5.5 white brightening facial cream. 5.5 vitamin C facial cream. Now if you want this facial cream, you can just take a screenshot of it, go to any shop of your choice, show them this facial cream, that you want this facial cream, and they will sell it to you. But if you also want to get it from me, I also sell this. You can get this from my website. Link is on the description box, or you can chat me up on my WhatsApp number if you want to get this directly from me, right? This is a very good facial cream that I can recommend for anybody, for everybody, and it is best used in the morning, right? Because it contains mainly vitamin C, and vitamin C product is very good in the morning time because it helps to boost collagen production. It also helps to boost the effectiveness of your sunscreen. Vitamin C and sunscreen goes together, both goes together, right? So it is best, you can still use it at night, but best time to use any vitamin C product, it is morning time, right? So if you want this product, you can get this product from me, or you can go to any local shop to get this skincare product from them, right? So for those that want to partake in our facial treatment, yes, I am waiting for you all. I know my old subscribers, so I have been on this YouTube for about, it should be like 7 or to 8 years now, so I know my old subscribers. So come in, don't worry, my new subscribers, you can also come and partake in these facial treatments here in Lagos. You come to our spa, we treat your skin, especially those that have spots, those that have skin imperfections, those that have acne. You have a lot going on your face. Come, let me help you to tackle your skin condition. So guys, if you have any question, leave your question below the comment section and I will get back to you. So thank you for tuning in. Please do subscribe and see you soon in my other next video. Bye.